Want to remove transfer history from TapTap Send? Here's what you need to know. Open the TapTap Send app and tap the menu icon in the top left. Go to Account, then select Transfer History. You'll see all your previous transactions listed there. However, TapTap doesn't offer any option to delete or clear this history manually. If you attempt a workaround like deleting or reinstalling the app, it only removes local data. The transfer history remains stored on TapTap's server and will resync when you log back in. So if you want a transfer removed or canceled, your only real option is to contact support directly and explain the issue. They might be able to help with error disputes or refunds if the transfer was incorrect. That's it. You're watching the RapidGuide channel. Follow for more clear, practical mobile app guides